Howdy, I'm Paul, your friendly flat earth, Bible-believing CNC machinist. I just wanted to show you the latest project I'm working on. Check it out. Making these Bogey trolley connectors or something they're called. The material came in as raw stock. See that burnout here? So that I've taken sand off all the bark. And then the first operation is here. Machine says put the hole in, and it comes on the side, does the side work, flips over, does the other side. So it gets to this point. Then there's a fourth operation. I have to put the other hole in and in line. Fun stuff, huh? I hope you all have a blessed day.